Hi there traders and welcome to the daily recap show for yesterday's US session, which was Tuesday the 6th of December, starting with the S&P. These were our zones of reference. We said that there was some impulsive downward price action creeping into the markets, so therefore we do need to be sort of like looking out for some bearish price action. We're not overall bearish on the markets again still at the moment, but it's just some impulsive price action creeping in, so we need to be wary of that. We said initial support on the S&P was at 39.84 to 39.92, with sustained breaks below that opening up moves lower. Main support was at 39.33 to 39.39. So let's go and have a look at the S&P yesterday. Okay, so you can see here we got this impulsive push down through that 39.84 to 39.92 zone. And although we did get a reversal pattern here, it was below the zone. So you would never really want to take that trade back into the zone. This then pushed down. We came down into, and this did see the sustained. So this was the sustained break. Personally, there wasn't really anything I would have liked. A bit of a deeper pullback into these moving averages here. But if you had managed to get in on a breakout or a breakdown of that level there, then that would have been valid. And that did see the moves lower down into the main support zone down here at 39.33 to 39.39. On the higher time frames, we didn't really see any reversal patterns around this 39.33 to 39 zone. We then did see this push up after just towards the close of the US session. So this potentially is a bit of a false break at the moment. Nothing really clear. It's a little bit choppy. Like I say, no reversal patterns there from that zone on the higher time frames. So it's something that we will keep an eye on going into the US session later on. So yeah, nothing really to do too much yesterday, unless you had managed to get in on this sort of breakdown of that initial support zone there. So that's the S&P. Now let's go and have a look at the Dow. So on the Dow Jones, it's a very similar story. We talked about that downward impulsive price action. We said initial support on the Dow was at 33.845 to 33.895, with sustained breaks below there, opening up moves lower initially to 33.640 to 680, with main support at 33.295 to 345. So let's go and have a look at the Dow yesterday. Okay, so the Dow, we did come down. We did actually get a reversal at that initial support zone there with the liquidity grab at 33.845 to 33.895. So if you had taken that, I believe that is a valid trade. That would have ended up being a losing trade. I don't think there's enough room here for you to get that risk-free. The only thing that you could do is once you start seeing this continuation price action, you could cut for a smaller loss. But actually, I think this is just a losing trade. We then got the acceptance below. Unfortunately, didn't quite get the full pullback into that those moving averages and that London low. That would have been a really nice continuation pattern for that sustained break below there to move price lower. We then did get that move down into that 33.640 to 680 zone. So if you had managed to get some sort of breakdown or continuation pattern on here, that would have definitely been valid below there. Just on my execution timeframes, there wasn't really anything there. We then got the push below 33.640 to 680 as well, pull back, and actually we did get a really nice continuation pattern here. Retesting that zone, so we've got the impulsive push through, corrective, and then a nice continuation pattern there. So that's a really nice trade which took it down. Towards the end of the session, you would have definitely wanted to have started managing this trade in this zone here, and then certainly in this zone here. We didn't quite make it down to this 33.295 to 33.345 zone. However, as you can see in the overnight action here, we have retested and held 33.640 to 680 at the moment. So we'll reassess going into this afternoon session, but my guess is that as long as we stay below here, we could still see that 33.295 to 33.345 zone here today. But we'll analyse that later on and we'll let you know. So I hope you find these reports useful. Please come join the Key Zone service. The link is below, in the box below on our YouTube channel. It's completely free to sign up. I hope these reports are adding value to your trading. We will be making this a subscription-based service in the new year. So if you would like to keep up to the reports and get the special offers for when we launch, please do come sign up to that service. So as I say, I hope you're having a great week. I hope you're finding these reports profitable. Please let me know how you're getting on, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.